I was just in shock. I called my mom and we cried together. And it was just, I just feel very, very blessed.
If people need help, talk to us, get us in there. I would say to dealers, go out to like the Veterans Center or the VFW or churches and hand out the flyers and say, look, you know somebody that needs help.
It's a great honor to knowing that someone else out there cares. And it's not just about, I always tell people all the time that we always think about me, me, me. But sometimes we have to take that M and turn the bottom up and become we.
And just the great heart that he has. So that was easy, but you're right, there are others that are deserving. Wish we could do more of that.
We like Jim. He's got a positive attitude even through everything he's been through, and his service to the country is something that we appreciate very much.